Hi guys, welcome back. So this week, it is high school art, and we are on week 2 right now. Technically week 3 because we had a 0. So we had a 0, a 1, a 2, which makes this week 3 in the calendar, but we're going to call it week 2. So anyway, this week's sketches, hopping into it. We have Monday through Friday. Family, shapes, you're writing down this artist quote. There is no must in art because art is free. We have music and Russia. And of course, all of these have to do with our artist spotlight of the week, Vasily Kandinsky, who is a Russian artist who did play with music, shapes, so on and so forth. All right. As usual, we'll have our rainbow wall full of student, and great job to students who do reach this rainbow wall. Even if this isn't updated, make sure to check the Google Slides in the actual Google Classroom. I guarantee there will be student artwork. Awesome. This week, we will sketch 5 new prompts, which we've already gone over in the second slide. We will complete an artist spotlight, Vasily Kandinsky, 10 to 15 minutes, to become aware and involved in the art world and art history nationally and internationally. He is not American, he's Russian, and so we get to have a little bit of those international studies. And we will continue to master art skills through an element scavenger hunt. So, here is our artist. You're going to be researching a bit about him. I've also included a video on our class YouTube and our Google Classroom, just 3 to 4 minutes explaining who he is and why we chose him. He explains the elements in great detail. He's fantastic, and it's a love or hate with most of my students. Hopefully you guys will like him. This week, your creative project, which you should be doing throughout the week. So don't wait until Friday to start this because it can take a while. In Google Classroom, you're going to study the handout labeled Elements of Art PDF for this week assignment. You are then going to be watching a movie or cartoon of your choice or video game of your choice, and you're going to create 7 screenshots that show the elements of art clearly: line, shape, value, color, texture, and form. And again, that PDF of elements of art in Google Classroom will help you out with that extremely. And you're going to include a small sentence of why they show that element. You're going to pop your element screenshots into a slideshow. And that's already given to you in Google Classroom. You're going to pick 1 screenshot per element, so you can't combine all 7 elements into one picture, even though there's going to be pictures that have multiple elements in them. That's just the way art is. For example, we have this one up here, and yes, it has color, but it also has texture in the trees and the ruffles of her skirt. You could say that it has form because the cylinders in the boat, or the cylinders in the actual main part, or the cylinders in her arm even. So there are multiple elements that fit into every single one, so you need to just pick 1 per picture, and you need to describe why you see what you see. So even though this one showed form, texture, and color, I chose this for color, and I said the whole movie has color. This scene showed almost every color of the rainbow. So you had reds, oranges, a little bit of yellows, greens, blues, so on and so forth. And I thought that shot really depicted just how much color was in this movie. All right, guys, that's enough for today. Good luck on your scavenger hunt. Good luck finding out about Vasily Kandinsky, and I'll see you next time.